Hi, my name is Materi, and I am doing a presentation on tsunamis. As you can see in the first picture, a city that was destroyed by a tsunami left hundreds of thousands of people dead and a lot of people homeless and left without food and water. Tragic. In the second picture, you can see an island that was hit before a tsunami was perfect, and then when the tsunami hit, it completely destroyed some of the island. As you can see in the next two pictures, how they're different. This third picture, there's a thing called body waves, and they are waves that go through the center of the earth.
Sky, there you go.
And it tells you how an earthquake is formed and how it creates a tsunami. The big waves. In this third picture, there's a thing called PNS waves, type of body waves, primary waves, and secondary waves. Primary waves are the quick little waves that come first. Secondary waves are bigger. These people are struggling for their lives as a tsunami hit. In this next picture, you can see that a tsunami completely destroyed the beach. And there's a thing called surface waves, type of body wave. Secondary waves. A surface wave is a mechanical wave that propagates along the interface between differing media, usually two fluids with different densities. This is not in their presentation. My bad. Keep on recording. As you can see a hurricane forming that will create big, huge body waves, and it will destroy a lot of land and people. In this picture, you can see the before and the after picture. When a tsunami hit, the island was perfectly fine, and then in the second picture, the after picture, the city was completely destroyed. There was a tsunami. There's a vocabulary called love waves, and soon causes greatest damage, come to slower than island, an S wave, and destroy the vocabulary that destroy it. Earlier in the presentation. There's another vocabulary like ocean waves. There is low frequency horizontal a thing called, as you can see in this picture, waves. Causes that causes great damage, and it's slower than a PS wave also, like a love wave. It's like ocean waves, low frequency, light waves on ocean go up. It goes up and down. In this picture, you can see the depth, velocity, and wavelength of this tsunami. In this picture, you can see tsunami being formed as this number 4, a plate is grinding up and down, explaining how it's going to create a dent in the ocean on its surface, and then it's going to create a big wave, like a tsunami. In this picture, as you can see, there's a tsunami that hit this big city, and it destroyed a boat. It brought up a boat to the surface, and it just completely destroyed cars and that big red thing that you see, and yeah. As you can see in this picture, the wave amplitude, the wavelength between the waves, and how it gets thinner and thinner and thinner, and then bigger and bigger and bigger, and then the level and the crest, and so on. In this picture, you can see an earthquake is occurring, and the faltering is pushing up the ocean floor. The tsunami generates, and the waves move outward. As you can see in this picture, a tsunami hit, and it's coming over the big city, and it's going to destroy lots of things. The tsunami is big and giant. In this picture, you can see a tsunami hit and brought a car into a ditch. And our last vocab word is focus, an earthquake's underground point of organ or hypocenter. This is my presentation, and thank you for listening.